Here's the contents of the box. You get a net, some adjustable straps, and by the way, the size of this net is 55 inches by 78 inches. Alright, here's what these little hooks look like. They have the little ball on the end. And here's how I think it goes. I think we run the cord up through the grommet hole. The ball will catch there. Run this through the hook. And on this side, it's got some teeth on the inside. And once you pull that tight, this cordage is definitely going to grab those teeth, and you can put a tightener on this net. Alright, this thing is coming together perfectly, exactly how I envisioned. I'm totally surprised at that. But let me show you the feature on this net that actually makes it work. And it is right here. These straps, each section, all down through there on one side, has this nylon strap and a buckle, allowing you to pull the net tight. So when I saw that, when I was looking on the box, I thought, you know, I don't know how I would attach that net and make it tight, but when I saw this, I thought that might just work. So let me tie this last one and I'll show you. It is definitely not permanent, so I don't have to worry about that. I can take it down in about 30 seconds. So yeah, I love it when a plan comes through. I grabbed a couple of Adventure Wifey's pillows just to test it out. Works perfectly. I don't know if I'll leave it up there or not, but you know, if you're traveling and you want to throw it up there for the extra storage, you know, it's perfect for that.